Hey everybody, welcome back to Becoming YouTube, and today we're going to take a look at two similar gaming computers that are also very different. So in their day, these computers would have been classified as high-end gaming computers, meaning that for what the market had to offer in their respective timeline, the components that they were built with were the top of the end, meaning that they had the best GPUs, the best CPUs, the fastest memory for the time, be it 2012 or 2017. But it's not 2012 or 2017 anymore, it's 2018, and we want to build new computers. But the fact that everybody's mining now and GPU prices are through the roof, nobody can afford it. So we need to answer the question is, if you have something like this, is it enough to hold you on just a little longer? And we're going to play three of the more popular games right now: Fortnite, Overwatch, and PUBG. We're going to play them both at two different resolutions, 1440p and 1080, at the same presets, and we're going to see how these two computers stack up. Is it worth building a new computer and mortgaging your house, or is it worth just turning down your presets and just trying to survive just a few more days? All right, so what are my 2 cents on this? Well, if I was still using this computer and I hadn't built this one, would I build a new gaming computer? And the answer is absolutely not. Would not buy it. Would not build one, would not do anything as of now. If you have a computer like this one that was built in 2011, 2012, and you're confused or trying to think about if it's time to upgrade, well, it's not time. For example, the graphics card that's in this computer is a GTX 1080 from EVGA that I got on Amazon last year, 2017, almost a year ago today. I paid at the time $609, and then after taxes like $650 for a brand new graphics card at 1080. If you were trying to get that same graphics card right now, which is not even top of the line, keep in mind the 1080 Ti exists, it's a real thing, the 1080 is old now, you would pay $800 to $1,000 for that graphics card if you can find it. If you can even find that graphics card, you're gonna pay $800 to $1,000. When I was looking yesterday, I seen that graphics card on Amazon used for about $850. So if you have a computer like this that's a little older and you really want to upgrade, wait it out. Not to mention the 2000 series from NVIDIA is coming out. I'm sure AMD has got something in the works as well. So you need to take whatever you got now and just make it last as long as possible in hopes that this mining and GPU shortage, overpriced nonsense blows over and we can all go back to living our lives, building computers, and not spending an arm and a leg.